Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're here both with Allure. I'll cut mine open first.
And this is really, really late for Allure.
And I know we normally talk super fast, but we're doing my son's birthday today, so we're going to talk extra fast because we're doing 3 videos back to back.
Happy birthday to Ethan! Woo!
We still have to eat and all the stuff we're doing. Okay, so here's a little, this unfolds, right? Or no, it's a booklet. Okay.
And I'll show them this.
I'm just like trying to flip every page there.
This is just a solid and striped timeless swimwear. Summer Glow 20 at solidandstripe.com. That's your code for 20% off. Bandier or Bandier. There's just like a little ad thing in here, so if you can see that.
Okay.
So we're doing 3
this,
back-to-back videos.
This is Beauty Loot. Did you get this? Am I not seeing it?
No, they're probably being bastards to me. Okay. There's this 20% off bubble bar. There's a code, which I don't know if you can see if it's close enough, but there's a code.
I'm confused.
Sometimes they'll give you something special for being with them. And considering I bought the whole year, you would think they would think I'm special. But
okay, so let me just show this stuff real quick. I guess I just turned something extra. I don't know why. I can't remember why I would have something extra. It's Hey Honey, I Feel Good Biomimetic Honey Pilgrim. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And it's super small, so you might not be able to see. Okay, I'm trying to go through these fast. And then Purity Made Simple Philosophy 3-in-1 Cleanser for Face and Eyes. I'm not sure why I got this. Okay, and then...
It's because she got things. It's just,
maybe don't tell me why. There's like a... Well, wait, what is this? Okay, wait, thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member.
I can't be a hater because they've done that to me in the past, so it's just her turn,
maybe,
I guess.
Maybe, I mean, how long have I been with them now? Like,
a while.
A year?
Or something. Yeah, maybe they do it the 1 year mark because I've been with them
else in here.
Longer.
And then,
a little baby wipe.
Yeah, I can use this in a little while because we're going to go swimming in a little bit. Yeah, Neutrogena makeup remover.
We're getting lots of exercise today. We're going to go play laser tag too. Can I start with the first thing that actually is in the box? It's SGX NYC Salon Graphics, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. I don't know if I'll put this in a giveaway or use it. I don't know. I've been using different things lately in my hair, but, you know.
It says absorbs oil, so I'm going to try to use it. Yeah.
We'll see. And these are always like the little Ziploc. Well, I don't want to say Ziploc, but they make me think of a Ziploc bag. I just wish they never use like plastic or whatever it's made out of unless it's biodegradable or something. But I mean, I give these to my daughter normally as a pencil pack, which I might have mentioned before. So she repurposes them for that or for her.
And I was gonna say I was giving my son's girlfriend some things, so I reused one to like put her items in. So
I was like, how do you open this thing?
This first floss, my new favorite lip gloss.
Okay, let me pull it out. I don't need a lip gloss, so unless it's got some vitamins for my lips, it can go in a giveaway.
Or plumping effect, no something.
Do you want to do this big one?
These, I swear, I've got.
I know. Well, I've got like.
I just have to point this out.
I have 3 full size probably, and so it's like, how many of these can you get?
I'm off camera for
Meanwhile, it's O-Thermal Avene Thermal Spring Water, soothing, softening for sensitive skin, which I do have like really sensitive dry skin.
Okay, so that one you just got, right? That one? I've also got it in this size. And I've also got it in that size. So I'm just saying I have a lot of it.
She's got like a Papa, a Mama, and a Mini. But I use those just once in a while. This is the Moroccan Oil hair treatment for all hair types. I have this, so this is probably going to give away. I mean, I'm pretty sure I still have some. If I still have some, I don't need another one this early. I could put it in our next giveaway or whatnot.
I might want to try it because I don't think I have yet.
And then we have Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I love eye cream, so that I want and I will use and I will keep because that is the one thing I probably need the most for my eyes. And last but not least, at least for mine, is the Pencil Medium Brown Tanya.
It's worth a try.
Yeah, I usually like the brow gel, but I typically get the ones that are like the little
we usually use powders, don't we?
Yeah, like that. But that's what I mean. But I can use pencils as long as they're not like feeling like they're tugging or stabbing me on my skin. Then, you know, so we'll give this probably a try. I don't mind. My brows weren't that great today. I messed up on them, but this is what it ended up looking like. And I didn't do mascara today, and I thought I'm just doing my makeup all weird and different.
Pretty good items, I would say, though, this time.
But yeah, overall, normally, all but the gloss I would use normally. So, but that was it for this video. Again, the box is around like $17 normally. I keep using that word normally, usually. Any other word besides that. But I paid for the entire year in advance, which might have saved me a few dollars. I can't remember. But if this video is fast enough, as always, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 150 subscribers, and I think we're 2 away, maybe. And with your help, with your loyalty, I'm sure we can get there. And we'll see you in our next videos.
Take care.
Bye.